this project you will need an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino, 220 ohms resistor, a breadboard, buzzer, jumper wires, and LED. Take the breadboard and attach a buzzer on the breadboard. Connect the shorter end of the buzzer to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the longer end of the buzzer to the pin 8 of the Arduino using a jumper wire. Attach a LED on the breadboard. Connect the shorter end of the LED to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the longer end of the LED to a 220 ohms resistor. Connect the other end of the 220 ohms resistor to the Arduino pin 8. Connect the other end of the 220 ohms resistor to pin 6 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Now, let us take a look at the ultrasonic sensor pin configuration. Each ultrasonic sensor has 4 points of connection: VCC, trig, echo, and ground. There are 2 eyes of the ultrasonic sensor. One transmits the signal and the other receives the signal back. Attach your ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard. Connect the VCC pin on the ultrasonic sensor to the positive side of the breadboard. Connect the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the trig pin of the ultrasonic sensor to pin 12 on the Arduino, and echo pin on the ultra sensor to Arduino pin 13 using jumper wires. Connect the positive side of the breadboard to the 5V pin on the Arduino using jumper wires, and the negative side of the breadboard to the ground pin on the Arduino using jumper wires. Open the Arduino software and create a new file. Assign trig and echo pins to be 12 and 13, respectively. Assign variables for the LED and buzzer according to the Arduino pins they are connected to. Declare the duration and distance as the variables to be used later in the code. Set up the serial monitor with 9600 baud rate and echo pin as input, trig pin as output, and LED and the buzzer as outputs. Send signal from the trig pin for 10 microseconds. Measure the duration for the signal to transmit from the trig and receive from the echo pin. Then calculate the total distance from the duration using the following equation. Keep the buzzer and LED off if no object is detected by the ultrasensor within 10 cm and print on the serial monitor that no object was detected. Turn the buzzer on and LED on if any object was detected by the ultrasonic sensor within 10 cm and print on the serial monitor that object is detected. Connect Arduino to your computer using the USB to B cable. Go to Tools, select Ports, and select Arduino. Compile your code by selecting the check button, and if you have any errors, fix them. If your program has no errors, the console window will say that your program has no errors. Upload the code by pressing the Upload button. Open the serial monitor under Tools and check to see if any object is detected. Make sure the baud rate is set to 9600 on the bottom right. Use the plane provided to test if the buzzer makes a sound once it goes within the range of the ultrasonic sensor.